Streamlining Data Embedding with AWS Step Functions and Amazon Bedrock, a comprehensive guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to AWS Step Functions and Amazon Bedrock. In today's data-driven world, efficiently embedding and managing large datasets is crucial for seamless information retrieval and analysis. AWS Step Functions and Amazon Bedrock offer powerful tools to simplify and automate these processes. AWS Step Functions enable you to design and run complex workflows as state machines. At the same time, Amazon Bedrock serves as the foundation for embedding data for various AI and machine learning applications. This podcast will explore leveraging these services to build an efficient data embedding pipeline. Understanding the integration and its benefits. Integrating AWS Step Functions with Amazon Bedrock provides a streamlined approach to managing data processing tasks. You can create scalable and automated workflows by combining step functions as orchestration capabilities with Bedrock's powerful embedding features. This integration allows seamless data embedding, essential for tasks like semantic search, recommendation engines, and natural language processing (NLP) applications. Setting up the project, gathering and storing data. Before diving into the technical setup, it's essential to outline the project's goals and the type of data you'll be working with. Whether dealing with text, images, or other data formats, gathering and preparing your dataset is the first step. Once your data is ready, the next step is to store it in a secure and accessible location, such as an Amazon S3 bucket. Utilizing S3 buckets for data storage. Amazon S3 provides a reliable and scalable storage solution for your data. To start, create an S3 bucket dedicated to your project. Organize your data within the bucket using a logical folder structure to ensure easy access and management. AWS S3's integration with other AWS services makes it the ideal choice for storing large datasets that require frequent access during processing. Establishing an OpenSearch cluster. OpenSearch is an open-source search and analytics engine perfect for implementing semantic search capabilities. Set up an OpenSearch cluster within your AWS environment to handle indexing and searching for your embedded data. Ensure your cluster is configured correctly to handle the expected load and queries, optimizing it for performance and reliability. Configuring OpenSearch for semantic search. To enable semantic search, configure OpenSearch to index your embedded data effectively. This involves defining custom analyzers and tokenizers that align with the nature of your dataset. By fine-tuning these configurations, you can enhance the search engine's ability to understand and retrieve relevant information based on user queries. Creating Lambda functions for data processing. AWS Lambda functions play a crucial role in processing and embedding your data. Develop Lambda functions that can take raw data from your S3 bucket, pre-process it as needed, and then pass it through Amazon Bedrock for embedding. These functions should be modular and reusable, allowing easy updates and maintenance. Automating data embedding with AWS Lambda. Once your Lambda functions are in place, automate the data embedding process by integrating them with Amazon Bedrock. This automation ensures that your data is consistently embedded with minimal manual intervention. The key here is to ensure that your Lambda functions are triggered appropriately by an event, such as new data uploaded to S3, or a scheduled process. Designing the state machine workflow. With the data processing and embedding functions ready, the next step is to design the overall workflow using AWS Step Functions. This workflow will orchestrate the entire process, from data retrieval and pre-processing to embedding and storing the results in OpenSearch. A well-designed state machine ensures that each step is executed in the correct order, with appropriate error handling and retries. Constructing the workflow with AWS Step Functions. Using the AWS Step Functions console, define each state in your workflow. Begin with states that retrieve data from S3, followed by processing states that invoke your Lambda functions. Ensure your workflow handles success and failure cases with explicit error handling and notification paths. This will make your workflow robust and reliable, making it capable of processing large datasets without interruption. Executing the workflow and verifying results. Once your workflow is constructed, execute it to begin embedding your data. Monitor the execution through the Step Functions dashboard, where you can track each state's progress and identify any issues. After completing the workflow, verify the results by querying your Open Search cluster to ensure the data has been embedded and indexed correctly. Testing the workflow and analyzing output. Testing is a critical step to ensure the accuracy and efficiency of your data embedding process. Run multiple test cases with different data samples to evaluate the performance and accuracy of your embedding. Analyze the output from your Open Search cluster to confirm that the embeddings are correctly applied and that the search functionality meets your expectations. Conclusion: harnessing AWS services for efficient data embedding. You can create a powerful and efficient data embedding pipeline by leveraging AWS step functions and Amazon Bedrock. This podcast has walked you through setting up, configuring, and automating data embedding, making it easier to implement semantic search and other AI-driven applications. With AWS's scalable and reliable services, you can easily handle large datasets and complex workflows, paving the way for advanced data analysis and retrieval. Reflecting on the process and future applications. The combination of AWS step functions and Amazon Bedrock opens up numerous possibilities for future applications. Whether you're building recommendation systems, enhancing search capabilities, or developing new AI models, this integration provides a solid foundation. As you continue to explore and expand your use of these services, consider how they can be adapted to meet the evolving needs of your projects. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.